Hello children, there are three types of tenses: present, past and future. We are going to learn present tense today. We use simple present tense where the sentences expresses habitual action, present state or condition, future action or general truths or facts. We will learn them one by one. Habitual action uses to refer to the repeated or regular actions, and it is usually used with adverbs like I take bath daily. I always brush my teeth twice a day. Words like always, usually, often, normally, sometimes, occasionally, seldom or rarely, never comes in these kinds of sentences. All the time or at all time, every, most of the time, every now and then, once a while, generally, once or twice a week. They are referring to a habitual action. So we use simple present tense. Let us learn through examples. The pupils pray every day. So every day here is the word used for habitual action which is taking place daily. Dad always cooks the dinner. Again, always is used for habitual action. He usually goes to bed at 8 o'clock in the evening. Some more examples. John always rides a bus to school every morning. Helen generally reviews her lessons in the morning. She brushes her teeth twice a day. So you can see here the words which we have talked about, like every, generally, twice a day, are used here to show the habitual action. Now next is present state or condition. We use verb to express the present condition or state of the subject. Let us look at some of the examples. The Lord hears our prayer. The weather today is cool. She belongs to the first group. So you can see in all the sentences it is showing present state or condition. Some more examples like we want a new car. She lives in Philippines. Right now she is living in Philippines. They are very noisy. Again it is telling the condition of them presently. Like they are very noisy. Future action. We use verb to express the action that is happening in the near future. In future, when we want to depict any future sentence, then also we are using present tense. Like the train leaves at 8:30 a.m. So we are telling about the train that will leave at 8:30 a.m. and we are using present tense over here. The plane arrives at 10 p.m. The party starts at 6 o'clock in the evening. So all these sentences are depicting future and we are using present tense over here. Some more examples like the party starts in few minutes. The exam finishes at 10:30 a.m. My friends arrive at 3 p.m. Again it is showing the future action where we are using present tense. General truth or fact. We use verb to express the truth or fact information about the subject. Example, God loves us with all his heart. We speak Filipino and English, which is telling you the general truth or fact. The moon shines at night, the sun shines in the morning, sun rises in the east. These all are general truths. So we are using present tense in these kind of sentences. Some examples are the earth goes round the sun. The sun rises in the east. The water is clear. So the simple present tense is the tense where verb suggests the action which takes place always in habitual or regular basis, widespread truth, historical truth and near future. And the formula of simple present tense is subject plus verb, SES with singular plus object and subject plus verb, no SES with plural plus object, and I and you are exception which are following the rules of plural. Like with I, there will be no ses with the verb will be added. Example, I go to school, she dances. So you can see here that I is singular. Despite being singular, we are not using ses in the verb. While she is singular, we are using ses with the verb dances. She dances. Kareem goes to school every day. Again, Kareem is singular, so we are using ses with the verb. So we can practice some more examples of simple present tense. I usually dash go to school. So here with I told you that we will use exception rule, like ses will not come with I. So here I usually go to school. They visit us often. So they is again plural, so we will not use ses with the verb visit us often. You play basketball once a week. Again, you is the exception, so we will not use ses with the verb. You play basketball once a week. Tom work every day. So here Tom is singular, so we will use ses with the verb. Tom works every day. He always dash tell us funny stories. Again, he is singular, so we will use here tells. She never dash help me with that. Again, she is singular, so we'll use tells us funny stories. She never help me. Again, she is singular, so we will use helps me. Martha and Kevin, they both are plural. They both are two, so they are plural. Swim twice a week. No ses will come with the verb. In this club, people usually dance a lot. Here we are talking about in this club, people usually dance because people is plural, so we are using dance. Linda dash take care of her sister. Linda is singular, so we will use here takes care. John rarely dash leave the country. Again, John is singular, so we will use here leaves. We dash live in the city most of the year. We plural, so we will not use ses with the verb. We live in the city most of the year. Laurie dash travel to Paris every Sunday. Laurie is singular, so we will use travels. Laurie travels to Paris every Sunday. I dash bake cookies twice a month. Again, I is the exception. We will not use ses with the verb. I bake cookies twice a month. You always dash teach me new things. We will use with you as an exception. We will not use ses. So we will write you always teach me new things. She dash help the kids of the neighborhood. She is singular. So we will use here helps. ses with the verb. She helps the kids of the neighborhood. I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you.